So what's up, peeps? You already know, I'm back with another banger. Well, I'm not back with it yet, but with these gas prices going up, we realize a lot of people, they're installing their Tesla wall connect chargers so they can bring in their Tesla. Well, this client of mine, he already have his Tesla. He's using a temporary 120 wall plug. So he just called me to come and install his wall connect charger for his Tesla, right? So I've done a few of them before, but this one I'm on video. Reason being, it could be a DIY for you in the future, right? Real easy, mats. So just come along with me. Let's go over there, get it installed, get the car charging, and we'll be out of there in an hour and 30 minutes max. All right, so let's roll. Another thing I forget to mention is that if you don't feel comfortable doing something like this, please get a licensed electrician to get this done, to take care of this. Because, I don't know, sometimes you can void the warranty if you don't. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it, then it could be a problem as well. Alright, so let's get it. Went to Home Depot, pick up a 60 amp breaker, some 6-3 wire per the NEC code. I have 4 spaces in the panel and I'll be using the 2 on the top right hand corner. So let's look at the charger now and see what's up. So yeah, I've gone ahead and put this Tesla thingy here, wire. So be sure to turn off your power de-energized panel. I'll be mounting it right over here. And as I said before, we'll be using a 60 amp breaker and some 6-3 wire I pick up at Home Depot. Reason being, the more amp, the quicker it's charged. So 60 is the max, so we'll be trying to get the max out of this wall connect charger here. Here's the quick connect box. They come with screws. Wire gonna come in here, set it on the wall, come in with my connector right here. So let's stay tuned. I got you. All right. And I said I got 2 space up here I'm gonna use. So I already take out one of the concentric nuts out and I'm just boring the stud, the first stud at least, and then I'll see where I go. I did cut a hole, a handy box hole, but now I'm ready to mount the wall connect back cover. And I did just put it up there, mark a little bit, and now I'm cutting out for the connector to go on the wall. And I did mark my screw holes, so and keep in mind, when I put the wall connector cover up there, the back of it, I did put it beside a stud so I can screw onto the stud. That way they can't pull it off when they're ready. So yeah, so once my connector is able to go on the wall right there, I'll just screw it up. Yeah. Right now I want to get my wire through from the panel. Come here, I'm gonna set one of these boxes right there with a blank cover. My hole is right there. My holes. So let's back push it My little fishing line. Right here I fight with the wire to get it through these little holes, but I finally get it through. And now I'm gonna see if I have enough for the breaker, and I do. So now I'm going to strip it out a little bit. Let me search for my knife. Right here. I'm gonna strip it out a little bit, and then I'm going to put the wall connector on there, hook it up, and then I move to the panel side. So I'm gonna just strip this out, tape it, put my connector on, and boom. I think I said it in the beginning of the video that these come with some two screws to screw in the wood. So they're actually wood screw to hold the connector on the wall. Here they are. And yeah, if you screw in the wood, you cannot miss. So you gotta find a stud to screw it in. And once you do that, there's no coming down. The only way it comes down on the wall is break. And they can't call me back out to fix it if they break it, right? Good. So let's just screw it in. Alright, so they got it up there. Got some paper on it, didn't want to mess it up. I'll get that off later. But right here, I'll just tuck away this ground. It doesn't matter which one of these, they're both power, and we'll use this for ground right here. And the white one over there, we'll put it on the ground bar. Just the same. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and terminate this. As I said, the white one is gonna be my ground wire in here, and the black and the red my hot. So L1, L2, right? And they use Allen key, so I'm gonna find me an Allen key that fits it and just run it in, nice and easy. So line 1 is gonna be black, line 2 is gonna be red. As I said, they're too hot. It doesn't matter where they go. Here's it, model X, Y. So we're gonna get the charger in now, all right? A few safety screws. I will go ahead and strip out this wire now over to the panel and try to land my 2-hot to my 60 amp breaker, and the white one, as I said, will be going to my ground bar. That's just what I choose to use. Alright, and I already have my connector and everything coming through the panel right there. So yeah, let's get it. So when I buy the breaker, I did ohms it out. But now I install the breaker in the panel, I just want to make sure that it's off before I land my wire in there. You know, because I don't want to be messing with anything that's not good. So let's just try it again with the meter. The white is going to be landed on the ground, and these two right here is going to be landed up there on the breaker. So I'm kind of getting excited because I'm landing my last wire right now. And after I land it, I'm gonna fire it up. So got my wires landing, got my breaker plugged in. Now got this on, charger up, and that's your end result. For the double pole breaker we put in, we'll break out 2 holes. That's the cover can hold on properly without any problem. Alright, the panel is covered up, the charger is ready. We just got that little hole to plug. But guess what? We'd like to get that car in the garage to try out the charger. So let's go get the Tesla. You already know Elon Musk got it going on. But boom, there we go. Charging.
So now, oh yeah, 35 minutes, perfect.
How much?
So yeah, this is good. It's fast charging.
Fast charging. Remember, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more DIY from your DIY adventures guy.